Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just going to do a bit of a quick one. I got the David Jones Deluxe Beauty Edit bag delivered in the mail this afternoon. I just got home from work. The sun's setting, so the lighting's a little bit off, but I wanted to get this up and hopefully, fingers crossed, if you're interested, you'll be able to still grab it. I saw this on Hayley's channel, Just Buy the Makeup, last week, and I looked online, I couldn't find it, and then I rang 3 different David Jones stores in Brisbane, because I live in a regional town, so I knew I had to have it delivered, and it was by pure luck I managed to find it at the 3rd store. The lady, when I was ordering it, said that she'd had a lady come in the day before and buy 20 of them. So we're going to go through what's in the bag and determine whether its value is good. I am a bit of a maths nerd, so I've gone through and broken down all of the values, kind of similar to what I do when I do a Bella Box unboxing, just to see if the claim is true. So it says here that it's valued at over $250. So you can see there, valued at $250. And the first sample that we are going to look at is from L'Occitane. It's the L'Occitane. I speak Japanese, not French or wherever it's from. L'Occitane serum. It is their Immortelle Reset serum, and we get 5 mils of this. A 30 mil sample is A 30 ml bottle is worth $90, so our 5 ml sample is worth $15. The next thing that we get is from Guerlain. I'm just trying to go down my list of all the maths that I've worked out. This is the Guerlain Daily Repair Serum. We have 5 ml sample of this. So let's pull it out of the box. So it's got the little beads in it that will burst as you pump it out. A 50 ml bottle of this is, whoa, $302. So this 5 ml sample is worth $30.20. So between these 2 products alone, you have you've gone over the value of the bag. The next product is the Kiehl's Night Recovery Concentrate. We have a 4 ml sample of this. Comes in a little dropper bottle. Oh my god, it's so cute. It is a 30 ml bottle of that is $66, and so this is a 4 ml sample, so it's $8.80. The next ones we get are the Elizabeth Arden Ceramide capsules. A container of 60 of these capsules is valued at $140. This one comes with 7 capsules in there, so a week's supply, and it is valued at $16.35. The next item is the Molten Brown Shower Gel in the scent Vetiver and Grapefruit. I'm going to have a smell. Oh, quite woodsy. It is 300 mils of that is valued at $39, so this 30 ml sample is worth $3.90. It's a great sample to go in a travel bag. The next thing that we've got is the Weleda Skin Food Cream. A 30 ml sample of a 30 ml bottle of this is valued at $14.95. This is a 10 ml sample, and so it will be valued at $5. They recommend this for like intense dryness, so I think it will be probably similar to the maybe the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream. The next thing is the Shiseido moisturizing cream. We've got a sample of 10 mils, and the normal tub comes in at 50 mils. Oh my god, how cute is this? Like a little jar of it. That is so cute. So it is valued, 50 ml bottle of this is valued at $78. So our 10 ml sample is $15.60. Sorry, I keep looking down, but this is where I've got all my maths written down. And I don't think you want me to hold it up because I have classic writing of someone that spent way too many years at university. It is disgusting. The next one is the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. We've got a 125 ml jar of that, costs $56. Our 15 ml sample jar is valued at $6.70. The next thing that we get is a little duo from Cremora Lab. All of these fancy accents that I can't speak. So within this we've got the fresh water gel. We have a 10 ml sample of that. It generally comes in a 100 ml tube for $69, so this 10 ml is worth $6.90. And we have a mineral essence. Normally comes in a 270 ml bottle for $80, and this is a 15 ml bottle, so it's worth $4.45. Next is the Orbe Dry Texturizing Spray. A 75 ml purse size is normally $28, so this is a 37 ml, so half the size of that, so a $14 value in that. This is good, again, taking travelling in between washes. We've then got the MAC Prep and Prime, so just a foundation primer. A 30 ml tube of this is valued at $50. This is a 6 ml sample, so it's worth $10. Up next is the Ella Bachet Eye Cream. A 15 ml tub of this is $95. This is 3 ml, so it's worth $19. Sorry, the blinds, the sun is setting, so it's kind of starting to mess in here. Apologise for that. Up next is the Purity Clay Mask. So this generally comes in a 75 ml tube for $48. This is a 5 ml sample. Oh my god, it's so tiny. And it will be for $3.20. I'd pretty much imagine that you're going to get one use only out of this. The rest of the samples have been quite good, that you would get more than one use out of it and actually see if the product works for you. But being a mask, and it's an exfoliating mask, hopefully I'll be able to see results straight after. Up next is the Lancome Genifique Youth Concentrate. So this is generally comes in a 50 ml tub for $142. This is a 5 ml sample and it comes in at $14.20. We have the Sampa Midnight Mask. This is it comes in a 50 ml normally for $59. This is a 15 ml sample, so it will be worth $17.70. So that's not too bad. A Clarins Lip Comfort Oil. This is a 2.8 ml sample, which is about a third of the general oil, which comes at 7 mils for $33. So this little guy is valued at $13.20. We then get into the 3 fragrances that are also included in the bag. We've got the Versace Dylan Blue. So this is a men's cologne, I believe. Very light and fresh. Probably get away with wearing it myself. A 30 ml bottle of this is $69, and this is a 5 ml sample, so it's worth $11.50. Cute little jar. Looks like a little potions bottle. Kind of like that. The next one is the Narciso Rodriguez perfume, and it is 50 ml. So even paying $50, I got 5 times the value, and I got a mini shoe. So I am a very happy lady. I've been waiting in anticipation for this to arrive since I made the order middle of last week. Thank you for checking in to my channel. Please remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. Let me know if you're going to get this, and if you do get it. I'd love to know if it's been sold out everywhere, but if you can get it, get it. I wish I was smart enough at the time, and when the lady said someone bought 20 bags of it, I went, oh yeah, I should get a couple more bags, because this would make an awesome Christmas present for a skincare lover and perfume lover in your family or friend circle. Thank you for putting up with the lights coming through. I just wanted to get this done and edited so I can get it up to you as soon as possible, in the hopes that you may be able to purchase this as well. As always, remember, be kind, be strong and be a warrior, and I'll see you later. Bye. Is normally valued at $127. This is a 4 ml sample with a spray, and it is valued at $10.15. Smells like something my mum would wear. Not really my scent. It's quite a strong, I don't know, mature scent. I suppose I'm supposed to be mature, but I'm not. It's not too bad. Now this next item, and it's the last item we're going to look at, is the entire reason why I bought this bag. I saw it on Hayley's channel last week, and I'm like, oh my god, I need this in my life. I like minis. Most of my makeup and other things are minis back there, and I like mini skincare as well, because I get to try a lot of different things. I have so much stuff that I'm never going to get through it all. But this is the Good Girl perfume by Carolina Herrera, and this is why I got it. Look at it. Oh my god, it is gorgeous. It is a 30 ml bottle of this, retails for $102. This is a 7 ml sample, and it's valued at $23.80. Ah, this is more my kind of scent. It's a lot lighter and a lot fresher. I just want it for this. I think when I run out of this, I will probably fill it up with some other kind of perfume, just so I can keep the shoe. I paid $50 all up for this item. I know, ridiculous, when I could have got the whole bottle for $102. But I have a lot of perfumes as well, so this way I can try it, see if I like it, and then I'll consider getting the big shoe to go with it. Because I had to pay $10 in shipping, that's why my bag is brought up to a $50 value. So I guess the question is does it live up to its claim of being over $250? The price calculation of all of the samples alone come to $249.65. So let's say $250. We've got the bag on top, $10, $15, and then we've got the $10 off at David Jones. So it more than goes over that value of $250. So do I think it's worth it? Yes, I do. And so even paying $50, I got 5 times the value, and I got a mini shoe. So I am a very happy lady. I've been waiting in anticipation for this to arrive since I made the order middle of last week. Thank you for checking into my channel. Please remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. Let me know if you're going to get this, and if you do get it. I'd love to know if it's been sold out everywhere, but if you can get it, get it. I wish I was smart enough at the time, and when the lady said someone bought 20 bags of it, I went, oh yeah, I should get a couple more bags, because this would make an awesome Christmas present for a skincare lover and perfume lover in your family or friend circle. Thank you for putting up with the lights coming through. I just wanted to get this done and edited so I can get it up to you as soon as possible, in the hopes that you may be able to purchase this as well. As always, remember, be kind, be strong and be a warrior, and I'll see you later. Bye.